Alright guys, today we are doing the sound comparison video. I got the stock exhaust on this still. Everything's stock. And we're putting the FMF on, the full 4.1 carbon fiber FMF. So, here's what this sounds like. Alright, that was the stock exhaust. I'm going to throw the FMF on and we'll show you what that sounds like. Alright, so we got it on there. Sounds pretty nice. It wasn't too hard to get on. The only problem was like getting the manifold bolts back there. So with this part off, you can kind of get to it, but it's still kind of tricky to get to. It's nice there's no big bulky guards in the way. My boots always get stuck on these things too. Like, I can't tell you how many times I've gotten stuck in there. All there is the hose clamps here, but that's not too bad. Like, I doubt I'm gonna get stuck on that, and if I do, I could bend it back or move it along the other side. So that was the sound comparison between the stock 2020 YZ250f exhaust and the FMF 4.1 carbon tip, whatever it's called. This thing is totally beat. There's dents all over it from tires and crap. But yeah, that's about it for this video, so thanks for watching.